Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Honda Jazz ES. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this car has a very low mileage of just over 12,000 miles and comes with great service history. As you can see, the black paintwork has a good gloss for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside with the Jazz, got a nice wide tall door opening there, so easy access in and out. The seats are in great condition there, really supportive too. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your CD player there in the centre with an FM radio, and this car also has climate control and then folding door mirrors there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your 4 electric window controls. For a hatchback, the Jazz is really practical in the back there, so as you can see, lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original Honda carpet floor mats too. As we open the tailgate, you've got the nice low loading sill there with a good sized boot with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage as well, so that's really practical. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.